Hey everyone, today I'm building the wood climber, aka the Pikler Triangle. The first thing I like to do is measure and cut all the pieces so I have it all ready for me. The first thing I'm cutting is the legs for the triangle. For cutting down the dowels, I use a stop block for that so I can have consistent cuts. Here I'm cutting the length of the wall climber, and you can use any measurement you'd like, but typically I go with 4 feet. I cut a 9 by 10 inch square for the triangle sides. I ripped down the excess of the triangle sides and used that as the supports for the ramp. Here I'm just ripping it down and getting it down to size. I'm using a compass here to round off the edges and give it a nice clean finish. Pre-sanding your pieces before assembly makes it so much easier. Mark out the ladder rungs by using the center of the board and spacing each rung 5 inches apart. Forstner bit is a great bit to use here for the ladder rungs. Drilling these pilot holes will give you reference on the other side so you can countersink your screws in. Dry fit your ladder rungs to the side rails. A countersink bit is a great way to make a nice clean look. Now it's time to screw the ladder rungs to the side rails. Mark the center of your triangles and then you can cut it at 30 degrees. I use the compass here to round off the edges. Glue up the short ladder to the triangle and screw it in. For the long ladder, measure mark in center for the pivot screws. The ramp is an optional thing that you can make for the Pikler Triangle. Start by dry fitting the supports with the dowels. Pre-drill the holes before screwing in. If you plan on installing rock climbing grips, you'll have to pre-drill the holes. And there you have it, a Pikler Triangle, aka wall climber, with a rock climbing ramp for your kids to climb on and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks!